Good morning and welcome back to another episode of the Pancake Papa. And today we're doing a simple one because parents, you don't need to do anything crazy to make a fun pancake for your kiddos. So what I'm going to do is throw a little picture up here, show you the little smiley face emoji that we're going to make, and we're going to get things rolling. It's time for pancakes. Let's do this. And there it is! Our little emoji pancake, nothing too crazy, right? Simple little thing. The teeth are a little bigger than I think they're supposed to be, but it's all good, right? And the last thing we need to do, we gotta give it to the little buddy. So here we go, Isaiah! Oh, there's your little pancake! What do you think? Do you like it?
Daddy.
There it is, buddy. Yeah, Micah.
I do want to whale.
You still want a whale. We're making your pancake next. All right, everybody, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye!